Today, we are having a Middle European winter showdown, the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 up against the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005, two popular choices in winter tires. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, every meter matters. Starting with wet braking, the Blizzak LM005 takes the lead, stopping 3.1 meters shorter than the Cinturato Winter 2. When it comes to wet handling, the Blizzak completes the lap 2 seconds faster. In aquaplaning resistance, the Blizzak also edges ahead, slipping 1.1 km/h later than the Cinturato. Moving on to snow, stopping distance and handling are key. The Blizzak LM005 stops 2.1 meters shorter in snow braking compared to the Cinturato. However, in snow handling, the Cinturato Winter 2 fights back, completing the lap 1.3 seconds faster. For traction, both tires are evenly matched, accelerating from 5 to 40 km/h in the same time. Though these are winter tires, their performance on dry roads can make a difference. In dry braking, the Cinturato Winter 2 takes the lead, stopping 1.8 meters shorter than the Blizzak. However, in dry handling, the Blizzak is 0.6 seconds quicker on a dry lap. Subjectively, drivers rated the Cinturato higher for handling, giving it a perfect 10 over the Blizzak rating of 9. Mileage is critical for long-term value as the Cinturato Winter 2 excels in mileage, lasting approximately 13,000 kilometers longer than the Blizzak LM005. Finally, for comfort and noise, both tires provide an excellent ride with top comfort scores, each earning a perfect 10. When it comes to noise, the Cinturato Winter 2 registers at 0.4 quieter decibels. However, the Blizzak has a slight edge in rolling resistance, potentially offering better fuel efficiency. So, which winter tire is right for you? The Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 is strong in wet and snow braking, ideal for those prioritizing wet and snowy conditions. Meanwhile, the Pirelli Cinturato Winter 2 shines in dry and mileage, making it a solid choice for durability. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.